Hi, I'm PJ Hunton, Engineering Manager here at Norco Bicycles. I'm here with the Revolver full suspension bike, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of insight into the design of the suspension system and what makes it special and purpose-built for cross-country racing. So overall, Norco's suspension philosophy is to design bikes with a rearward axle path and a progressive leverage ratio. The rearward axle path gives the bike great square edge bump compliance, allowing the bike to glide efficiently through rough terrain and to give you control through that rough terrain as well. The rearward axle path also develops anti-squat forces in the suspension, which keeps the bike nice and stable under pedaling loads and provides a nice efficient pedaling platform so that all of your pedaling energy is converted into forward momentum instead of suspension bob. The progressive leverage ratio, which means the leverage starts very high and finishes low, gives the bike a lot of suppleness and small bump compliance early in the stroke, which is what generates the traction and grip. Later on in the stroke, that leverage is much lower, which gives you that plush, bottomless feel, which prevents the bike from bottoming out harshly. What we've done with the Revolver to make it even more specific to cross-country racing is we've used a hanging link design as opposed to a rocker link design for the suspension system. So the shock's mounted horizontally instead of vertically. And what this allows us to do is design a very specific shape to the leverage curve. So it's got a bit of a nose at the start, which keeps the initial leverage a little bit lower, which gives the bike even more of a nice, firm pedaling platform. So overall, the Revolver full suspension has been designed specifically for cross-country racing, all the way from its super lightweight, full carbon frame through the frame geometry, which is cross-country racing specific, yet still fun, includes Norco's gravity tune technology. As we've been talking about, the suspension kinematics have been very specifically designed for pedaling efficiency for optimal XC racing performance.